So this is our hot tank. It's a sodium hydroxide mix, chemical bath to remove paint and oil off all of our metal. So I've let these heads sit in here for about an evening and a bit. And you can see most of the paint has come off. So these are probably just about ready to come out. What we do at this point is pressure wash with hot water and then air dry. We clean all the coolant passages and any excess paint left on the head. Then we air dry. So now these are all cleaned up and dried off. We can magnaflux them and check them for cracks.